Hey guys, this is Jones with poolwarehouse.com, and as you can tell, I'm in a swimming pool. This is a 54-inch wall pool, so it actually is fairly deep. Today we want to talk to you about this particular pool. It is the Dubai swimming pool, and it's our best of the best category winner for the 54-inch wall pools. Now, we sell a lot of different 54-inch wall pools, but this one is by far the best. It's really funny how when you go look online for above ground pools, and when you're shopping out there, you see a lot of grainy, cartoony looking images of different above ground pools. We're not going to do that today. We actually want to show you the pool that you're buying. We're proud of it. It's made in North America. It's not a Chinese import pool. It's a really great product. The first thing that really stands out on this pool is the huge top seat. This is an 8-inch extruded resin top seat. Very nice, very sturdy. So you also have your top caps that are resin as well, and the bottom. Now, another thing that helps bring this all together and make it a salt compatible pool, the resin bottom and top connector. So you've got a resin top connector and a resin bottom connector, and your top tracks and bottom tracks are both resin as well. You have a beautiful mist colored wall. It goes with almost any backyard or any house. It looks great. That mist color is fantastic. So overall, this one definitely is the best value and the best bang for your buck. So if you're looking for a pool and you say, hey, I want a 54-inch wall above ground, I need the best value, I need the best bang for my buck, but I also do not want to sacrifice quality or features. The Dubai is the pool to get. Definitely checks all those boxes and is the best of the best category winner for us. I would also recommend adding the XL pump and filter to this. It's definitely well suited for this size pool and this shape. Also recommend the conifer ladder. Those are North American ladders, so don't get a Chinese pool ladder. They're typically junk and you'll be replacing in a couple years. Go for the Comfort brand. It is a much better ladder. It looks better than the other ones as well. So if you guys have questions on the Dubai pool, or if you want to go ahead and get started on your own, visit poolwarehouse.com. You can go through and create your own quote. You can select options on your pump, your filter, foam cove, floor pads, whatever you'd like to add to this pool. If you have questions on any of our pools, feel free to give us a call, 800-515-1747, or visit us at poolwarehouse.com.